Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. Do you love bagels? Do you love pizza? Here you have a great marriage of your bagel and pizza, but it's stuffed. It's stuffed with all the right things. Look at our cheese and our pepperoni. And this is our stuffed pizza bagel. Don't you guys want to learn how to make this? Let's do it together. So let's make our stuffed bagel the new viral way with the slits in our bagel. So let's do that first. And I have some whipped cream cheese here, some pizza sauce, mozzarella cheese, and I'm using turkey pepperoni and some shredded mozzarella. And then the key to this is dunking it in our garlic butter, parsley. So I'm gonna add a little bit of pasta sauce because I don't want it to become runny. Just a little bit. And I'm going to mix this in our whipped cream cheese. And then I'm gonna put it in a piping bag. So now your cream cheese is gonna taste kind of pizza-like, you know, saucy. Tomato saucy like. It's okay, it's cheese. It's all in the cheese family, so it's gonna be all right. I'm gonna put just a tad bit more. I just wanna be gentle. We mix this, let me make my slits. Now the key to making the stuffed bagel is that you want to make your slits not going all the way down, where you still are able to, you can stuff it, but it's not separating. So I'm just gonna make 6 slits, and I stop right before I get to the end. See, it's still together, like that. I don't have a piping bag. I just have some store-bought plastic bag, which is fine. I now have our pizza sauce with our cream cheese in here, and I'm just moving down everything in this bag so I could use it to pipe so everything is not gushing out towards the back. So I'm using the back end of my spatula, essentially. Okay, so we're gonna begin piping. And we're gonna wanna put some cheese in here. First we pipe. Now, let's stuff some cheese in here. It's gonna be good. Okay. We're gonna be able to put our pepperonis in here. Now, to be honest, I think we're gonna have to cut the pepperonis in half for it to work. So I'm just putting them by 2, stuffing them right there, and stuffing them right here. Okay, so now we have our stuffed pizza bagel, our mozzarella, our cream cheese, and our pepperoni, and we are going to flip it. And we're going to do the bottom as well. Put it back here, and we are going to sprinkle some more cheese on the top, since it is pizza, right? And some parm on the top of here. I'm using shave. I think it just looks prettier for this, but you can use the shredded. You can use whichever you choose. Here's our vitamin content. So this is what our pizza bagel looks like before it goes in. And we're gonna put it on 350 for 5 minutes. So this is what our stuffed bagel pizza looks like. And here are a list of ingredients. All right, so Gio, here is our pizza bagel. Look at our cheese. And Gio is our resident taste tester, and he's gonna let us know how this stuffed pizza bagel turned out.
All right, well, let's see.
Look at that cheese pull. Yeah.
Well, it does taste a lot like pizza, almost like I forget what it's called, but it's like another pizza related thing.
Like stromboli?
Yeah,
Okay,
like
calzone. Okay, from
But
that family.
Yeah, but it does have a lot of the same flavors from pizza, and the pepperoni and the sauce give it a nice flavor along with the melted cheese on top of it.
Let me see. Tastes like a pizza. Really good. So, definitely give this a try and let you and I know how it turned out for you. And we will see you in our next video. And remember, be good to yourself and God bless you.